Hello guys, welcome to Vikrant Tech. Today I'll tell you how to update the firmware for Antminer S19 series miner. So this is the miner we have here. Let me brief you about the top panel. So this is the control board we have here, and these are the 3 signal cable connected with each hash board. And this is the point where we have connected our LAN cable. So let's turn on the machine and let's update the firmware from the dashboard. So guys, we will use this software by the name of Advanced IP Scanner in order to find the IP of our miner. So once we click on start, it will start showing the IPs. You can download this software by going to this website by the name of advancedipscanner.com. I'll give the link in the description. So guys, this is the new IP which we have found, 10.0.0.6. We will enter this IP in our Google Chrome browser. So once we hit enter, we will reach on the login page, or we can say on the dashboard page. From here, what we have to do, we need to navigate to the system, and then we need to go to the firmware update. After going to the section, what we have to do, we need to choose the file. So in order to download the latest firmware, we can go to this website by the name of service.bitmain.com/firmware. So from this website we can download all the firmwares for the Bitmain machines. So now we will head over to the SHA-256 Bitcoin miners and we will click on S19J. We will download this software, or we can say the latest firmware. It's already been downloaded here. So now we will go to the IP page. We will click upload. Then we will select the latest version and we will open this file. So once we have this here, now we need to click on the update. For this, we need to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes till the time firmware is being updated. It will keep showing like this for 2-3 minutes. After the firmware is updated, miner will show online like this, but it will show no data available. So we need to wait at least 2 to 3 minutes till the time data is back. Keep running the miner around 5 to 10 minutes like this. So the miner has already started hashing, but it's showing abnormal here. It will be eliminated or it will be removed from here after 2 to 3 minutes. Once the miner real-time hash rate is 91 terahash. So the now status is back to normal. So this is how you can upgrade all the firmwares in all Antminer machines, S19 series machines. I'll give the link for all the firmwares and Advanced IP Scanner software link in the description.